Hi everyone. I thought I would do a flip through of this large Dylusions journal. This was sent to me as a gift back in June or July, I think. And I had never worked in a Dylusions journal before. This is one of the ones that has two different. It's an older journal that someone had that they never used, right? So they sent it to me to get my feedback on it, basically. And it has two different types of paper. It has like a white cardstock, and then it has like a creamy manilla file folder type of paper, which I felt absolutely in love with when I worked on this journal. But the first thing I did, because I don't care for the fact that the cover is really hard, I mean, it's complicated, right? I like that the cover is like that because it keeps this book from, doing that huge, like, thing that they do that I really don't like. I like books to actually close, and this harder cover actually allows that to happen. So I do like it, but I didn't like working in the journal with that cover. So I just pried it apart. I will show you. I mean, I can't technically show you because I have glued it in now. But basically, this is a smaller, newer version of this journal. And you can see here where I removed, this is the one I'm currently working in, and I have removed the base journal from it. I wish that when they make these that they would not excessively glue it in. They would make it so that you could remove it. That would be awesome. I would definitely enjoy working on them even more than I do already. But as you know, I absolutely love to work with manila file folder paper, so these Dylusion journals are really super fun. I'm sure at some point I'll go, find something else to work in, but I think for a while I'm going to stick with these. So I'm going to do just a quick play background music sort of speed flip through for you guys. If you want detailed information on each page, how I made it, why I chose what I did, what the meaning is behind the page, or any of that kind of stuff, then you can feel free to sign up for my Patreon, where I do a monthly page flip and give detailed information about each page, the materials used, why I did what I did, what my goals were, what the meaning was behind the page, that type of thing. And of course, tips and tricks and tutorials. But anyway, without further ado, I guess I'm going to go ahead and flip through this, and I hope that you find it inspirational. Maybe you get some ideas for stuff you'd like to do in your journals. And as always, if you have any questions, or if there's a particular page you'd like to see me recreate on video, please let me know. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. All right, thank you.